Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm already sweaty, but today I'm going to plant up this little corner here. It's at the end of the Russian sage border that I just put in. So let me show you the plants that I'm gonna put in. So you've kind of seen this area already. I have the show-off forsythia and the weeping Norway spruce. It's actually growing a lot, but I've already put in here, mostly because it looked like it was dying, a banana cream daisy. I think that's the name. I'll put the link in the description below. But this is what I'm planting today. It is called Wizard of Oz. It is a Veronica. Got this at Lowe's, and there are the stats on the back. It's it's hardy to zones 4 through 8. I'm in a 5, so I have 7 here. I have 2 in some other places, and I'm just going to do a drift of them here. So I'm just going to speed through the process and I'll show you the finished look. Okay, so I only ended up using 6 of them because it does say that they will get 14 to 16 inches wide and tall, so I want to leave them plenty of room. I also need to leave room for this forsythia to grow, as well as this pine tree. So I think that's just a nice little swoop going through there. So now let me plant. Got the drift of them planted. I love how they look. Of course, it'll look a lot better once I mulch, but we're off to a good start here. Let's go plant the other few. Okay, so now we're by the gazebo, and I'm going to replace a lavender that does not have much growth. I'll put it in a pot and see what it does, but for now I want to replace it with this because look at how beautiful and fresh that looks. That looks so much better. Now let's head to the last spot. Right over there. Alright guys, the last one is in. Now I do have an extra that I'm debating putting in that drift that I just planted, but I'm gonna think about that for a little bit before I just go planting. So I put Biotone starter fertilizer in every hole because, well, it's supposed to work. I've had good luck with it. And you may also be wondering why I use this instead of a big shovel for these. Well, this is kind of round, so it gave me the shape of the pot. Also, I really like the pointed end. You can't really see it. I like the pointed end on this because you can jab through roots, which, since we're by the woods, that helps a lot. And I don't know that if you can see, but the end is kind of serrated. So I will leave this link down below, as well as plant information. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video.